Nice.
So I'm going to Vivek. You don't need the introduction, but it's a formal thing which I do. In my many interactions with Vivek, I found him very charming. He's got a roguish charm, but he's charming nonetheless.
Thank you.
And he's very. I think his first name be should be for versatile Oberoi, not just Vivek Oberoi. Because look at the range of roles he's done. He can make you laugh in Masti. He can make you feel romantically inclined, at least the women towards him in Satya. And he can really be cold as steel, like he was in Krish 3 and company. So he's done a range of roles. He's amazing as an actor. And so we just plunge into the question, Vivek. I think no. First, let's everybody introduce your name and what you one adjective to describe Vivek. We are not because this is Vivek's show, not our show. Abhishek, I like what you're wearing, Vivek.
Hey, thanks, man.
हाय विवेक, मेरा नाम अभिषेक है और आई एम फ्रॉम मेयो 2005 बैच. तो मैंने आपको देखा
Oh,
तो
go Mayo. क्या बात है?
आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कम हियर एंड थैंकफुली मुझे ये मौका मिल गया. तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से आपने जब फर्स्ट फिल्म किया था तो आई वाज इन 10th क्लास और उस समय आपका जो क्रेज था बिकॉज फर्स्ट ईयर 3 फिल्में इतनी अमेजिंग अवार्ड्स एंड ऑल, सब लोग आपका वो हेयर स्टाइल रखना चाहते थे एंड हम लोग हमेशा शो ऑफ करते थे. आपका हमेशा शो ऑफ करते थे एंड अगेन ओवर द इयर्स आपने जिस तरीके से खुद को हैंडल किया, प्रॉब्लम्स को सब कुछ को किया, दैट्स ऑसम. बहुत पॉइज के साथ आपने हमेशा किया. And from all my Mayo 2005 batch की तरफ से I would just like to say thank you and congratulations for everything. All the best आपको, बस यही कहना चाहता था मैं.
Thank you, Abhishek. What house were you in?
Colvin.
Oh, you were in Colvin.
आप जयपुर में थे ना कि भोपाल?
I was in Jaipur and then after that BT.
And how year आपका क्या था? 12th का 92, 93.
93.
मेरे को एक बार आपके एक बैचमेट भी मिले थे कहीं पे किसी ऑफिस में. आई थिंक आपका एक रिपीट किया था आपने शायद, समथिंग ऐसा कुछ हुआ था ना. 10th के बाद आपने शायद कुछ चेंज हुआ था आपका बोर्ड्स के बाद. 11th में आपका कुछ हाउस चेंज हुआ था या बैच कुछ इशू हुआ था आपका?
10th के बाद I left. I came to Mumbai. I was asked to leave.
ओके हाँ,
Disciplinary
मेरा भी.
action.
मेरे को भी नॉट वेलकम लेटर मिला था 10th के बाद.
मैंने बहुत बदमाशी की. Even though I was a very bright student and I represented Mayo in sports. I was boxing at the national level. I was playing many other sports. I was had the drama talent scholarship from Eton, England. So extracurricular की तो भंडार था सर्टिफिकेट्स का, लेकिन बदमाशी भी बहुत करता था. So I hotwired a forest officer's jeep and drove the jeep at the age of 14 with all my buddies up to Pushkar. वहाँ पे वापस आते वक्त I wasn't driving, a friend of mine was driving, and वो काली घाटी पे जीप ओवरटर्न हो गई. I was on a bike behind her. वो बहुत बड़ा पंगा, जैसे नॉर्थ में कहते हैं बसूड़ी, वो पै गई, and then it took us time. Yeah, but I was given an option.
So you were rehearsing for company from that age?
Yeah, no, I was given an option to either give up all my batchmates and save myself, or be asked to leave, which is a very nice way of saying suspended. So I took the other option. I said, yeah, you tell us to be Mayo men, and then you're asking me to snitch on my own batchmates. We used to say sneak back in the day. So I said, वो मैं नहीं करूँगा. So I left.
What about Kajri?
इतना क्रेज था वहाँ पे. आज भी हम लोग बात शो ऑफ करना होता, कभी भी बात होती तो हमेशा we always say कि विवेक ओबेरॉय ने हमारे स्कूल से पढ़ाई की है. आज भी वो चीज होता है.
Thank you.
Kajri, how would you introduce yourself?
Hello Vivek ji, this is Kajri Babbar. I am a filmmaker, theatre artist and social activist.
Lovely.
Yeah, and I've been I really admire you in company, and I really admire you in Shoot Out in Lokhandwala as well. So I think I'm glad I'm here and I could hear your experiences today.
Thank you, Kajri.
Yash?
Hello sir, my name is Yash. And I'm an actor, poet, yoga teacher, traveler, and I've also been your fan since Satya company. And sir, आपकी फिल्म का जो दम मूवी का एक गाना था, जीना with दिया मिर्जा.
Yeah, that's right.
मैं आज तक उसको सुनता हूँ. वो बेस्ट सॉन्ग है सर. Great song. I really love that song.
Thank you, Yash.
Nandita, where's Ishan?
Hi Nandita, how are you? Wow, what a pleasant
Figuring
surprise.
out.
She's still connecting to audio. She's connected to audio now.
I've connected. Hi.
What a pleasant surprise, Nanita. How are you?
Hey,
seeing
I'm
you after
good. How are
forever.
you?
Very good. My
Yes.
gosh.
Good to see you.
How's the little guy? How's Ishan?
Okay, once Ishan's also joining in, huh?
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah.
Seeing him after
In
forever.
fact, he's
My
been
gosh.
looking forward to it.
Oh, lovely.
He was
It's
so
been so long since I
excited.
saw him.
Yeah,
been so
he was
long.
little. He was little, yeah.
He was very
It's
little.
going to be a little surprise now. And how's your little one?
He's probably around the age that Ishan was when we met.
When you met, yes. And he's how old now? 6?
He's 7. He
Seven.
You got a daughter too, right?
Daughter's 5. That's right. My daughter's 5.
Good,
So-
good, great.
Narendra,
हाय खमागणी सर, नरेंद्र खत्री
खमागणी।
बोल रहा हूं मैं बेसिकली जयपुर से हूं सर, और आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूं मैं। अभी जस्ट कुछ दिन पहले ही लोखंड वाला शूट आउट लोखंड वाला देखी। क्या एक्टिंग है सर, कुछ शब्द नहीं है आपके लिए बोलने के लिए।
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
और
Narendra.
एक लाइन बोलता हूं सर, पुलिस आया ना बत्ती लगा करके बोलने का भाई माया भाई आए थे, माया भाई। सुपर सर, सुपर
Thank
अल्टीमेट।
you, Narendra Bana. Thank you.
Narendra has done 4 ads with Amitabh. He's not telling you that.
Oh, lovely.
या अभी रिसेंटली भी मैंने अमित जी के साथ बीका जी ऐड किया है, और 4 ऐड करीबन कर चुका हूँ। वैसे इंडस्ट्री के अंदर मैंने 7 साल से मैं इंडस्ट्री में हूँ, तकरीबन 200-225 टीवी कमर्शियल्स मैंने किए हैं।
Lovely. Fantastic.
और अभी तहे दिल से इच्छा है कि आपके साथ में काम करूं मैं।
जरूर, जरूर, क्यों नहीं?
थैंक यू।
Ad नहीं, feature film करना है इनके साथ.
पिक्चर फिल्म ही बोल रहा हूँ सर, विवेक सर के साथ काम करना मतलब ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू।
Zaid sang that song for you, Vivek.
Yeah, I saw that. It was very sweet. यार क्या अच्छा सुर है आपका. Fantastic.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच। वो मेरा गाना, वो जो गाना है मेरा बहुत मतलब पहले बहुत गाता था मैं स्कूल टाइम में, और एक गाना और है वो तेरे लिए।
हाँ, करेक्ट। आतिफ असलम ने जो गाया था प्रिंस के लिए।
छोड़ दी खुदाई मैंने तेरे लिए, जन्नत सजाई मैंने तेरे लिए, छोड़ दी खुदाई तेरे लिए, झूमू दीवाना बन के तेरे लिए, वादा है मेरा मैं हूँ तेरे लिए, होना कभी तू जुदा।
Thank you, Zaid. Thank you.
So wonderful sir, talking to you. And
Pleasure.
एक चीज है जो बाकी एक्टर्स में, हर एक्टर की एक अपनी खूबी होती है, तो आपके अंदर मुझे वो इंडियन एक्टर वाली वो खुशबू होती है ना, जो रॉ अपना देसी एक्टर, वो वाली एक सेंस मुझे वो नजर आती है।
Thank
मतलब
you.
वो ज्यादा एडिशनल और वो मास्क नहीं नजर आते हैं, बहुत रॉ मिट्टी वाला फील नजर आता है बहुत। तो इट्स
आजकल तो मास्क जरूरी है.
दो गज दूरी मास्क है जरूरी जी। सर वंडरफुल टॉकिंग टू यू, एंड आई एम एन एक्टर, आई एम फ्रॉम झांसी की रानी झांसी।
क्या बात।
एंड मैंने थिएटर किया हुआ है 5 साल दिल्ली में। बाकी वैसे मैं इंजीनियर हूँ, इंजीनियर ऑल्सो अ सिविल सर्वेंट एस्पिरेंट, उसकी भी तैयारी मैंने की हुई है। बाकी मैं
बहुत बढ़िया यार.
जी।
First
आज के
class.
लॉकडाउन है तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न डिफरेंट टेक्निक ऑफ सेल्फ डिफेंस, या जो भी एक्टिंग में कभी काम आएंगी। लिखता हूँ, गार्डनिंग कर रहा हूँ, कुछ भी जो भी मतलब आई एम वेरी अडेप्टिव पर्सन, जो आता है रास्ते में तो आई ट्राई टू लर्न दीस थिंग्स, कभी ना कभी तो काम आएगी जिंदगी में।
तो अब एस्पिरेशन कर रहे हो IAS की?
नहीं, कर चुका हूँ 16 में, फिर फाइनल डिसीजन हुआ था एक्टिंग में आने का आफ्टर वॉचिंग द मूवी तमाशा। तब से मैं थिएटर एंड मुंबई
from Indian Administrative Service to Indian actor struggling. बढ़िया है यार. कमाल.
इसीलिए जो मैंने
कौन छोड़ता है IAS?
आप नहीं
Amazing,
छोड़ते
amazing,
विवेक,
must
अगर
really
आपको
love
मौका मिलता तो would you have taken anything else besides acting?
यार मैं चाहता था बहुत सारी चीजें बनना. I think जब मैं 5-6 साल का था तो मुझे लगता था साइंटिस्ट बनना है, and I discovered the concept of disease. ये ऐसी भी कोई चीज होती है डिजीज जिससे इंसान मर जाता है, तो ऐसे कि यार इसको सॉर्ट करना है, इसको ठीक करेंगे, डिजीज हटा देंगे. I think I wanted to be a scientist for the longest time, and I come from a family where my father was the only black sheep. He was from a family of 8, 4 brothers, 4 sisters, and उनको छोड़ के बाकी सब हाइपर पढ़े लिखे, यानी कि IIT, and in fact my बुआ जी, my बड़ी बुआ जी, his eldest sister, was the first ever lady dean in the history of Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. So the first scientist not only to be invited and write books for Harvard and Oxford and for all these international universities, but also the Indian Institute of Science Bangalore finally acknowledged her and said ki she is the one that should take over as the next dean of the institute. So that was a big landmark. My one Buaji is a neuroscientist, another one is a gold medalist pediatrician. So sorry. Hey Ishan, wow, good to see you.
Hi, how
man.
are you? Lovely to see you. How are
I can't
you?
even recognize you, man. You've grown up so much.
Yes,
You were a little baby when we met.
I remember.
I can literally say it like that old Hindi film dialogue कि मेरी गोदी में खेला हुआ है.
That is true.
On the sets of Kyun Ho Gaya Na, I used to be there. We used to hang out.
I remember the day you all surprised me so much. It was one day.
Your network's down.
You all rushed in. I remember that.
Okay, now the others will have a short introduction because we need to ask Vivek questions. Deenu,
Sure.
जल्दी से बताओ अपने बारे में कुछ.
हाय विवेक सर.
How are you?
फाइन सर. मैं सर बनारस से हूँ और
बढ़िया.
सर मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ और एक्टिंग का प्रोफेशन यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ. और सर हम लोग मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हैं तो ना सब कुछ सपोर्ट होता नहीं है, तो इसलिए बैंक में जॉब भी करता हूँ, ये भी तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. तो इससे क्या होता है कि माइंड में फ्रस्ट्रेशन नहीं आता है कि हाँ क्या है कैसे है. सर अभी 4 साल से लगे हुए हैं. बस आप लोग की दुआ चाहिए कि हम लोग भी आए, आप लोग के साथ काम करें.
बिल्कुल जरूर, क्यों नहीं.
पार्थो.
Hello Vivek sir.
कैसे हैं पार्थो?
Good. I'm good, sir. I'm from Hyderabad. I mean, actually, I'm from West Bengal, but now I'm in Hyderabad. I work here for an IT company, and I'm an aspiring actor.
तेलुगु सीख लिया कि नहीं?
थोड़ा बहुत बोल लेता हूँ सर. తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటే
మాట్లాడడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను.
తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటే నేను సార్. Sir, I have worked in 3-4.
It's a very vibrant and big industry, Partho.
Yeah,
if
I
you're in
know.
Hyderabad, you should take advantage of it. You should learn the language, and you should definitely even attempt there, not just Hindi, because Telugu is a fantastic industry to be in. Very vibrant. And right now, everybody I know in the Telugu industry, all my friends, they're all taking off, doing so much work for content in terms of
True.
all the OTTs. इतना काम शुरू हो गया वहाँ पर. So it's always a good idea.
Yeah. I'm working in 3-4 Telugu films. I mean, they are yet
Lovely.
to be released.
क्या बात है.
So देखते हैं क्या होता है. And I'm looking forward to come to Mumbai and work in a better content-driven films.
एकदम भालो.
Malvika is from Sharjah. She wants to.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. How are you? I'm good. Sir, my name is Malavika Menon. I'm from Kerala.
I understood the minute you said Malavika.
And I'm a huge fan of yours, sir. I just loved you in Satya and Lucifer.
Thank you so much. I can't believe you loved me in Lucifer. I mean, people say you loved me in Lucifer, and I get very surprised because he was a character that was meant to be hated. So then when I say that, people say, well, we loved hating you. Or we loved the way you played it. It was a fun character to play. And it was a lot of fun working with Prithvi, with Raju. And of course, Lal Aitan, I have a special place in my heart for him because of Kambadi, like he says. So are you an actor too, Malvika?
No, sir.
Aspiring?
No, I just attended this because of you. I'm a huge fan of yours.
Thank you, Malvika. Thank you so much.
Not attended one before this, and she's not going to attend one after this, unless you come again. Jitu?
Yeah, hi, I'm Jitendra Kothari. I'm a writer, and I'm here basically to provide the tech support. But I'll just say, I really admire the way that you've thrived over the years, changing, like doing Telugu cinema, doing Malayalam cinema, Hindi cinema, all along. So it's
Thanks.
Thanks. Adapting is the name of the game, and that is really true for most people today.
Thank you.
Good going.
I can ask Nandita to introduce herself. So it's Nandita, unless you want to say something.
Yeah, I mean, big fan of yours since Company and Shootout and a whole lot of films. And of course, you know, we've known each other, family, friends. Your dad and Omji went to FTI together.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
It was lovely. It's lovely to reconnect with you and lovely to see
Yes,
you. Especially lovely to
absolutely.
see Ishan. I mean, I'm
Yes,
so
yes.
excited to see him. His connection's a little poor right now, but it's amazed. I can't believe that little bacha has a full dadi right now.
Ishan, can you hear? I don't think he's in.
My connection is weak. I think I'm coming here and seeing if it makes a difference.
Yeah, you could probably hop onto your mom's screen. There you are in the back.
Yeah,
Okay. Or you can go there where dad's screen is.
I think it is fine now. I think it is fine now.
Yeah, that's much better.
Rigved and Arora are the last to go, and then we will start.
Sure.
Yes. Hello, sir. Hi, sir. My name is Rigved Arora.
How are you, Rigved?
Hear me? I'm good. I'm good, sir. आज आपको देख के वही बचपन याद आ गया when I was opting my career कि किस profession में जाया जाए. तो I was in 9th or 10th standard. तो आपकी फिल्म से कि Shoot at लोखंडवाला, साथिया, वो एक आपका फेस चल रहा था. Shoot at लोखंडवाला, साथिया, Dum. So Dum में my चाचा was playing a character with you. His name is Vivek Shaw.
Yeah, of course. Oh.
Yeah.
Passed away.
Yeah, तो उनके
was a lovely actor. Wonderful actor.
उनके साथ
Wonderful actor, wonderful person. He did Gadar with my father also.
Yes.
Lovely actor. Lovely actor.
तो हम उनकी कोई फिल्म मिस करते रहे थे because he is my uncle. तो कोई फिल्म मिस करते रहे थे. तो जब मैंने उनके साथ आपको जो दम में जो कैरेक्टर देखा था तो यार then I thought यार I should do acting now. तो एक वो करियर भी सिलेक्ट कर रहा था कि कौन से करियर में जाया जाए in 11th standard. So then 11th standard I chose acting. Yeah, I should go to acting and acting field. So then I joined TI, Theatre in Education. हमारे NSG में होता है Theatre in Education. I joined. I did weekend club there. Summer theatre workshop. बचपन में हमारे जो बच्चों की summer theatre workshops होती हैं. पूरा एक personality development का course होता है. वो join करके उसके बाद back to acting. Then एक दिल्ली में auditions होते थे फौजी 2 के. Shahrukh got me from there in Mumbai. So Fauji 2 was show?
Yeah, sure.
Tell me, you have been in this profession for 18 years. That's a long time to not only survive but also thrive. So how have you managed? And don't tell me hard work because that is, I told them not to give that as an answer ever. Hard work, dedication, all that. So you have to tell me something which you did specially to keep yourself going.
I think you kind of said it in the question itself. Little bit of surviving, little bit of thriving, living between the two. I think somewhere my career, my journey is, when people ask me, what would you describe your journey as? I said, definitely entertaining because it's been like a roller coaster ride. Sometimes there's been ups, there's been downs. I've dealt with a lot more skill sets than they would teach you in acting school. I've had to develop a lot more survival techniques. It's been a little bit different in my journey, but overall it's been amazing, because you realize that you are in a profession where millions of people dream of achieving this, and you get that acceptance, you get that love from the audience. आपको इतना प्यार देते हैं लोग, दुआएं देते हैं आपके लिए, और आप एक अच्छी फिल्म कर दो, एक अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस कर दो, and they just come back to you with so much love, and I've been very blessed like that. So whether it was my beginning in company where people gave me that much love and acceptance, and then eventually when everybody told me ki don't do anything else but this space, and I wanted to do Satya, I got a lot of love there. Today you're saying V for versatile, but at that point people said mat karo, abhi Satya kar rahe ho to sirf love story karo. And then I did Masti, and that was a crazy comedy, and then I got a lot of love and acceptance in the comedy there. So I kept switching genres, and even when like one fine time I decided I want to do one film in each of the southern languages, and I did that as a conscious decision. And I reached out to filmmakers and I said, yeah, is there something I want to come and do it? And I did. I picked 4 languages, Hindi. I picked Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam. I did one film in each. And similarly, when OTT started, I wanted to evolve to do something in the OTT space. So
Inside Edge.
The first one to do Inside Edge. And that was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of risks. But like how we've all been seeing in Scam 1992. Risk hai to ishq hai.
Right. But I think it's interesting you said about how you had to develop more skill set than other people as well. So these are aspirants. How would you suggest that they prepare themselves emotionally also? And because along with all the...
It's great that you mentioned that, Jeetu, because that's what I tell everybody who talks to me, who says कि मुझे actor बनना है, मुझे industry में आना है. Something I learned.
Right.
What people don't realize is what my journey was. I came back from New York. I went to NYU. I finished my master's in film. I came back and I met RGV, and he was making a film called Jungle. And I met him, and then he wanted to cast me in some role in that, and मुझे समझ नहीं आई बात.
Thank God you didn't do Jungle.
For whatever reasons, as a struggler also, I took a decision कि मुझे ये नहीं करना है. And a lot of my friends said, "तू पागल हो गया है." I said, "नहीं, मुझे नहीं करना है, मतलब नहीं करना है." So I left. My dad decided to produce a film for me, and he got the typical way कि लड़का वापस आया, इसको launch करते हैं rocket बना के. And a big script was written by Abbas Mustan, and they wanted to launch me in a fantastic thriller, whodunit, Abbas Mustan style. They just come off the massive success of Soldier, where my dad also featured with Bobby, and everything was done. But I had a crisis of conscience, and I felt कि either I have it or I don't have it. And if something goes wrong with the film, my dad's Jeevan Punji, which was a very common thing that used to happen back in the day, कि यार बेटे के करियर बनाने में बहुत सारे जो बाप हैं वो बेचारे कंगाल हो गए, उड़ गए पिक्चर बनाने के चक्कर में. So I had seen that around me a lot, and I did not want that to live with that kind of story.
Wow.
So I kind of set myself apart. I went and I had a conversation with my dad, and he said, "You're crazy, yeah. Why are you going to struggle when I have done the struggle in my life? Why would you want not to use this platform?" But I just had this identity crisis issue where I said कि यार या तो मुझ में है merit पे या तो नहीं है. And that's when I decided to meet Abbas Mustan ji, and I asked him that if my father wasn't to produce the film, would you still direct this? And would you still cast me? And the answer was obvious, no? So then I went back to the drawing board and started struggling again. And because I was conscious ki whose son I am, and he's established in the industry, I never used his last name. So I used to only introduce myself as Vivekanand. And I stood in the line. I struggled 8 ghante, 9 ghante. I struggled at all the film offices. And the one thing that I want to tell all of you is that we'll get Hindustan में एक चीज बहुत मिलती है free advice. 99% बकवास होती है. फिल्टर बहुत बड़ा होना चाहिए उसके लिए. कंफ्यूज कर देंगे आपको.
वाओ.
तो इतने लोगों ने मुझे कहा है कि मत करो, एक्टिंग छोड़ दो, हम यहाँ नौकरी दिलवा देंगे. Because they looked at me as a regular struggler. They didn't know who my father was. And I used to just keep listening to them. देखो एक्टर ऐसा होता है, तुम एक्टर नहीं बन सकते. Reasons why you can't be.
Wow.
And I just kept my belief stronger. And I just kept saying, यार एक दिन आएगा जब ये सारे प्रोड्यूसर ना मेरे पीछे लाइन लगाएंगे. And I swore that to myself. प्रण लिया, प्रतिज्ञा लिया. And that fueled me, all the time. And I kept struggling and I kept going through. So one skill set that's very important is जो मैंने अभी सीखा है. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि बुरे वक्त में घबराना नहीं, अच्छे वक्त में पगलाना नहीं. Don't go thinking that the success belongs to you. Don't go thinking that the failure belongs to you. Both will destroy you. आप फेलियर को अपनाओगे तो आपके सर पे उसका बोझ बैठा रहेगा. अरे यार मैं तो फेल हो गया, फ्लॉप हो गया, ये हो गया वो. You won't survive. And survival is a new day, a new opportunity. Rishi uncle had once told me. He said, actor कभी फेल नहीं होता, पिक्चर फेल होती है. एक बार आप एक्सेप्ट हो गए as an actor, तो आप एक्सेप्ट हो गए. Now it's up to you to pick the right films, do the right performance, be sincere. The day you fail as an actor is the day you stop being sincere as a performer. कि आपको रोल मिला और आप अच्छी तरह से परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे. So I think that skill set's important to keep that filter, and बहुत मोटी चमड़ी होना जरूरी है, because ये एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे सक्सेस भी पर्सनल है, फेलियर भी पर्सनल है. लोग आपको पर्सनली अटैक करते हैं, ट्रोल्स आपको पर्सनली अटैक करते हैं कि आप बकवास हो, पिक्चर बकवास आपने की. You can't take that also personally. या आपको खुदा बना देते हैं, you're the greatest actor alive. ऐसे भी लोगों के दिमाग खराब हुए. So I think you need to keep that balance, you need to keep your focus and say, "Yeah, I'm just an actor. This is not mine. ना success मेरा है, ना failure मेरा है. मेरा काम है acting करना, आगे बढ़ते रहो बस.
Wow.
Next, what's next?" I think that's the story.
Vivek, nobody likes to hear. We'll be back after the break, but I forgot to introduce Prachiti, so she'll want to introduce her.
Hello, Vivek sir.
Hi Prachiti, कैसी हैं आप?
I'm good, sir. How are you doing?
Very good.
So I'm from Thane, Maharashtra. Actually, I'm a lecturer by profession, nowhere related to Bollywood. But sir, I am a great fan of yours and your Satya movie.
Thank you.
I mean, there are many participants today over here, and how big they are a fan of yours. On top of that, I am a fan of yours, and
So
sir,
sweet.
of your Satya movie. And so I must say that every year on 20th December, I celebrate the birthday of Satya.
Oh, so
wow.
sweet.
And
Thank you.
I always, sir, I always kept on thinking that when I would express this feeling of mine to yours, when I'll get this opportunity. But all thanks to Dinesh Raheja, sir.
No.
Because of him, I've got the opportunity today to talk to you in person. And sir, this is the thing which I'm going to take forward in the next year, 2021. This is the positivity. Means we all are hoping a lot of good things from 2021. And I think for me, this is the thing which is going to be with me throughout the life,
Lovely.
sir. And one request, sir, I really want to meet you once. I want to click one picture with you.
I'm sure we'll make it happen. I'm sure someday.
Thank you so much, sir.
बताओ भाई दिनेश जी, आप इन्हीं को भूल गए?
हाँ, इन्हीं को भूल गए, देखो।
थाने में बंद कर देंगे आपको.
हाँ, थाने में बंद कर देंगे। अच्छा, Vivek, you were talking about intelligent choices you make. But when you have options get limited, then can you make intelligent choices, or from whatever you have, you make a choice?
You know, there's two ways to do it, Dinesh. I think one is choosing for the right reasons. Right? So I've made a lot of mistakes choosing for the wrong reasons. यार ये गाड़ी खरीदनी है, ये सामने से आ रहा है और ये इतने पैसे दे रहा है, ये गाड़ी का बड़ा फितूर है, बड़ा शौक है, चलो ये शौक पूरा कर लेते हैं ये पिक्चर करके. Those are the wrong reasons. गलत नियत, गलत सोच. फिल्म के लिए करना है, पैशन के लिए करना है. पैसे बनाने के लिए आप शोज कर लो, एड्स कर लो, इधर-उधर भटक लो, ठीक है. But you know, you have to keep your mind clear. Oh, if I do a film with this camp or this lobby, I'll get a foot in. They will respect me, they will appreciate me, मुझे और काम मिलेगा. I think those are all wrong reasons.
Whoa,